Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share with you a design team project for ARTYmaze using the Thoughts of Summer journal kits, and there is the tag kit, the main pages, and there's a bonus kit which is a traveller's notebook size. I haven't actually used the traveller's notebook size, even though I've kind of made traveller's notebook size journals. These were inspired by Wendy from Wendy's Journal Adventures, and she was inspired by Roxy Creation, so I went over and watched Roxy's video as well, and mine turned out nothing like theirs whatsoever. But that's where the inspiration came from. The links to ARTYmaze's kits will be below in the description box. These journals will also be listed in my shop, and I do have also these two journals in my shop, and I'll put a link on the screen at the end of the video to the video of this. Okay, so we'll start with this one. These are fabric covers, and I found this was a long, sorry I just bumped my camera, it was a piece of fabric about that size, and it was about, I don't know, 2-3 foot long, and I thought, oh, that's really summery, so I used that. I've used some twine here as a closure. It's a very simple cover, you know, just a slight wrap around. The journal measures, let me find my notes. Okay, it measures 8 inches by 4.5, and obviously, you know, you're not going to keep it like that, so it's just a 4.5. There's one signature and 44 pages front and back, and this is one of the pages from the main kit, and obviously I've shrunk it down a little bit and then took a little bit off. I have made tag pockets using the tags from the tag kit, and then we just have that there. Envelopes from the main kit, and I just stamped on these. Obviously it doesn't come with this on it. I just, you know, you can use any stamp you like, so I just chose that one. There's nothing inside there. That's for you to fill up. Here I've used the little tabs from the tag kit. This is from ARTYmaze's positive quotes, tags and journal cards, and that goes in there. That is obviously open, so when that is off it can open up like so, and you've got additional journal space. This is actually from the old design shop, and that goes on there, and that little tag goes in there. This is from ARTYmaze's French ephemera kit. We have some Edith Holden there, and this is the old design shop. This is from the Thoughts of Summer kit. Made some little pockets, done some little kind of clusters or layering, whatever you want to call it, with butterflies. They're a freebie from ARTYmaze. I think they are on her coffee shop as a freebie, I think. And tag from the Thoughts of Summer, and this is from the positive quotes, tags and journal cards. This is from ARTYmaze on our French ephemera kit. Some more Edith Holden French ephemera kit from ARTYmaze, little pockets there. These are a freebie from ARTYmaze on our coffee shop. From the kit, centre of the signature, another little flip, another lady tag there, and another little pocket using the journal cards from the main kit. Here we've got, this is, can actually double up as a double pocket there, and then that flips open. Got the Edith Holden. This is from, I can't remember who it was now, the old design shop. So the tag is from the tag Thoughts of Summer. Little flip here, another little pocket that I made, and journal card and a tag from the kit. Little flip, love them pages, they're so pretty. That's from the old design shop. Edith Holden, little tab on there, little tab there, that's the other side of the French ephemera. Another envelope from the kit, and like I said, there's nothing in it, and I just stamped on that, so that is there. And positive quote tag, and then here we just have another tag from the tag kit, and this is from the old design shop, and that is the back. So that is that one, and just wrap that around and put that through there like so, and I will show you the other one very quickly. It's very, very similar, and that is the fabric. I have to defluff that. That's the fabric that I used. So more or less same pages, same kind of thing, stamping on the envelope, nothing in the envelope. Oh, I'll keep that off there a sec, because that all opens out. We've got the tag in there, the little labels, and a positive quote tag, and that goes on there like so. Again, I think the pages are more or less the same. The Edith Holden pages are obviously different. There's lots of journal space. Edith Holden, French ephemera, little pocket again using the journal cards, little flip, little tag, the Edith Holden, little flip there as well, positive quote tag, tag from the Thoughts of Summer, again another little pocket just layering up here, flip out, again that could be a double pocket there, that opens up, little flip, another little envelope, again done some stamping on there. Okay, where did that go? There it is. Oh, and on the backs of all the tags, I printed out, with the tag kit you get a couple of kind of background sheets. It's like coffee dyed paper, so I backed them all with that as well. And here we have another tag and a big jumbo inventory tag. And that is the back. So they will both be listed in my shop. And like I said, on the screen at the end, probably about now, the link to the video with these little pocket-sized journals. You can go and watch that, and they are in my shop as well. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.